Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Today I'm checking at the Hyatt on the Bund, Shanghai. The hotel consists of two buildings. I'm staying in the one on the left, which is also where the main lobby is located. Since the hotel was hosting an event on the day I checked in, the lobby was extremely noisy and crowded. That said, the overall lobby design is still very grand and visually appealing, with a small fountain at the back. The hotel also provides an area for parcel collection, but unfortunately this area smells quite bad. Now let's head to the room. My room number is 1202. The first issue I noticed is that the door doesn't close automatically. You actually have to pull it hard for it to shut properly. As you enter the room, the bedroom is on the left. On the right, there's a mirror and a luggage rack, with a safe located underneath. In-room amenities are from Balmain. The bathroom is separated into wet and dry areas and also includes a standalone bathtub. However, the toilet lid was left open. Overall, the bedroom is very small. The minibar fridge is empty and quite dirty, which is disappointing. That said, the view is truly impressive with a full view of the Bund. This is the terrace on the 32nd floor bar. I have to say the view here is absolutely unbeatable. Overall, the hotel's hardware and facilities are very average. Although it has been renovated, you can still tell that some parts are quite dated. However, the location is extremely prime, offering sweeping views of the historical Bund as well as the modern skyline of Pudong. It is also relatively convenient to get to the airport. By car, it takes about 10 minutes to reach the Lujiazui financial district and only a 5-minute walk to the Bund. In terms of pricing, considering this location, I say it's quite reasonable. That's all for today's video and thank you for watching.